na.
Panahon na ba na para makapag sa artista?
Na.
Kailangan kayo naiwan sa bahay.
Oo.
Hindi ko rin gets.
Hindi mo get.
It is not fair because for how many years there are so many initiatives, not only the government, national government, but also social civic organizations na nagpa-fight talaga to diminish or to change talaga the narrative that Mindanao is the hotspot for extremist or terrorist groups. Even though hindi naman directly naka-influence yung Davao sa nangyari, which is yung shooter na stay pa dito ng 1 month, parang it gives like an impression na nag-generalize agad, na stereotype agad, which is yun yung parang for how many years nilalabanan or parang chini-change ng mga taga Mindanaos on a wider perspective.
We should take precautions and report these suspicious tourists. The police should take action and find these types of people so that they can't commit any crime, and Davao continues to be safe.